Hello guys and welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add borders to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this video onto my timeline. To add a border to this video, all you need to do is to go over to the Effects tab over here. Make sure that you are under the Editing tab. Next, go over to the Effects tab and under Effects, come down and select the colored border over here and drag it onto your clip. And automatically you will notice that a border has been added to your clip. You can come over to the control settings over here and adjust the softness of your border. You can adjust the width of your border. You can adjust the color of your border. Basically, you can adjust all these parameters over here. The only problem with this is that if you come over to the video settings and you adjust the scale of this video or you adjust the rotation, the border will not go with it. To fix that, come over to the video clip over here, right click and create new compound clip from it and hit create. And right now, if you go to the zoom property and you zoom this video down or you adjust the rotation property, you will notice that the border is now attached to the video. And that's it guys on how to add borders to your videos in DaVinci Resolve.